Welcome everybody. My name is Kate Kaltoff and I'm with Stamping to Share, and today is the day. It's November 2nd and I'm going to debut our kit to go for November. It's going to be the most beautiful kit that can be actually used for masculine cards that could be used for pretty much any occasion. It's with the Peaceful Cabin bundle. And so this is one of the very first bundles that I ordered when we got our mini catalog featuring holiday products back in, I think it was July or August, that demonstrators were able to order. And it went right on my order form because, as you know, we are cabin people. So pretty much every weekend off to the cabin we go. So I had to do something with this bundle, and I'm just really excited to share it here for the month of November of 2021. So what I think I'll do first is we'll cover a little bit of, housekeeping that we have to do. So we have some winners from last week. We have, and here they are, Jill Hayden and Deb Anderson. Jill Hayden Peterson and Deb Anderson, congratulations. You are my winners from last week. That means you get these really pretty self-adhesive sequins. And so I know that this will be fun for you. And so all you have to do to have me mail these out to you is you contact me with your mailing address. So just contact me on my Gmail account, which is stampingtoshare@gmail.com. Or if you prefer, you can also find me on Facebook. Just go to Stamping to Share on Facebook, and then you can message me directly from my page. So pretty exciting. Oh, yay. And Deb's even watching. Hallelujah. And Jill is too. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Anyway, congratulations to our winners. One more time. Congratulations, Jill, and congratulations to Deb. So exciting. And what's the giveaway for today? Well, I'll do that in a week. This is my only Facebook Live for the week for those of you that do watch me. I am heading out to the farm again tomorrow morning, so I will not be in town for the next, it'll be a few days. So just a lot of things that we're doing. So this is the giveaway for today's Facebook Live. It's our In Color Jewels. So pretty, so elegant. So how do you get these? Just share this video and you will be in the drawing, and I'll announce the winners a week from today when I do my Facebook Live a week from today. All right, so I'm going to flip the camera down. I'm really excited to show the cards to you, but first I'm going to show you the products that you will get in your kit to go. So we have a $50 kit to go and a $110 kit to go. One is the basic kit to go, and then the second one is our deluxe kit to go. So I'll explain it all in just a minute. So just bear with me while I flip the camera down and we'll get started with our November kit to go. All right. The very first thing that we're going to talk about is the $50 kit to go. It includes, and this just shows a half pack, but your kit to go will actually include a full unopened pack of our Painted Christmas Designer Series paper. I love this because it's more traditional Christmas colors, and it has a lot of naturey things in that I love, like the pine cones and the foliage. So I'm going to just quickly show you this beautiful Painted Christmas paper. And so we have pine cones on one side. We'll be using that on the very first card, actually. And then the other side would also look equally as well on this card. And then we have the pine cones. We're using that on the second card. You guys are so sweet. Thanks for the hearts. And then on the other side, we have something bright and fun, so very Christmassy. And then on this side, so these don't have to be used for Christmas. I say some things are very Christmassy, but you could actually use these year round. I think it makes great masculine cards. So we'll be using this particular one on one of the cards. And look at that, just a set of gorgeous greens. Here's another one that we'll be using on a card, and I love it. And then this is the back side. This is a very stampable back side, so I'll be stamping on this on one of those cards. The next one is this one. Again, just gorgeous, the Painted Christmas. It's so pretty. If you haven't had a chance to get it, this is your chance. And here is the final, just beautiful. paper. So full pack of Painted Christmas in your basic card kit to go. You will also get a full pack of our Essentials Baker's Twine. Oh my gosh, there's 5 colors, you guys. There's Crumb Cake, Basic White, Very Vanilla, Basic Black, and Gray Granite. So it's an excellent value. I'm really excited to have that in the kit to go. There will also be Gilded Gems because you have to have some bling. It's really important to have bling on your cards. You can skip the bling if you are worried about mailing them, but honestly, I don't think it's a problem as long as you put a sheet of cardstock over the top. And finally, in the basic kit to go, you will get a happy stamper token. When you have 10 tokens, you get to pick a free stamp set of your choice. That's the basic kit. You will also get 8 card setups, and I'm going to now show you the deluxe kit. So in addition to everything in the basic kit, the deluxe kit includes the Peaceful Cabin bundle. So you can see what it looks like. These are the dies, and we'll be using the dies pretty heavily. So if you already have this bundle, go ahead and just get the basic kit to go. But if you've been thinking about getting this bundle, I really encourage you to get the Peaceful Cabin bundle. I think it's just beautiful. And then here is the Peaceful Cabin stamp set that's part of that bundle. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful set. And in addition, you will get 2 happy stamper tokens, and you will also get my customer gift of the month for the month of November, which are the wonderful gems that will be included in your deluxe kit to go as a gift from me. All right, so I know you are ready to see these cards. They are so gorgeous. Here we go with the first card. It is this one right here. So we'll be using a lot of vellum on these cards. And when you see basic die cuts, I will be doing the basic die cutting for you. However, anything related to the bundle, you will be cutting yourself. However, I will provide the paper for you. So this is the first one. I just love the way the Baker's Twine is tucked in under the sentiment. I think that's really pretty. And I also really love the bling on here. It does not overwhelm, and it just adds a really nice sparkle. But of course, that doesn't pick up real well in the video, but in real life, this is phenomenal. So everyone's saying they love this card. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. All right, that's the first card. Here is the second card. Let me grab it here. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. So this uses the cabin, and it's stamped on shimmery white paper. So there's just this lovely glow to it that I know you can appreciate because it's like a snow. It's like snow. It's so pretty. So we have that layered up on the front here. We've got a double bow. So of course we're using twine on every one of these cards because why not? It just adds a beautiful feature and does not add a lot of extra weight or bulk. And again, some beautiful little gems. The third card, really nice masculine card. All of these are nice masculine cards. And they can be used year-round, not just for Christmas. So it's a great card set for that. Here is the third card, and look at that. Look at that little fox running over the snow crest, the crest of the hill there. And then these beautiful trees. And I love how this paper just works so beautifully with this card design because you can see there's the black pine boughs in the background and then the pine trees in the foreground, and then it's just wishing you the best, and it's just phenomenal. Oh, thank you so much for your kind comments. I love it. All right, and don't forget to share because certainly some of your friends would be interested in this kit to go as well. And the final card in our kit to go is a Christmas card. So this, I did dedicate one of the cards to be Christmas only. And look at this one. So this is really fun. It's one of those neat cards where the sentiment on the inside also doubles as the sentiment on the outside. And so that's what this one looks like. And this one, there's 5 little golden blings on here. So you can see them right here. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And then I'll open this one up so you can see the inside as well. But isn't that super fun? And again, I'll have all the cutting done for you if it's regular dies that most of you already own. But the trees, again, will have to be cut using the dies from the cabin die set. All right, so let me put these out for you to give you a good look at them one more time before we close up this video. So fun and pretty. Have a great day, everyone. I truly appreciate you. Bye-bye.